Hi everyone! Today I'm thrilled because I'm gonna give you an exclusive tour of my new studio apartment in Dubai Marina, which you can rent for just 7,000 dirham per month. Dubai Marina is famous for its stunning waterfront views, luxurious lifestyle, and vibrant atmosphere. It's the perfect place for those who want to enjoy the best that Dubai has to offer.
Let's go up and have a look at the apartment. I can't wait to show it to you guys. Welcome to my cozy studio. It's super modern and stylish, so let's start the tour. First, we have this cozy sofa where I can chill, relax, watch a TV, and coffee table at touch of elegance, don't you think? Here we have the kitchen. It's fully equipped by modern appliances with a built-in oven, a slick electric stove, and plenty of storage space. Cooking here is a joy. Everything is designed both functional and stylish. The soft closed cabinets are a nice touch. This cute dining nook is perfect for quick meals or working from home. Plus, the view from here is just stunning. Speaking about views, let's see what makes this apartment truly special. Look at this. This balcony overlooks the stunning Dubai Marina. I love to start my morning with a cup of coffee here. This is my lovely bed where I unwind after a long day. The soft pillows and warm blanket make it a perfect spot for a rest and sleep. The bathroom is actually compact, but it has everything you need. I love this clean and minimalist design. Beautiful studio in Dubai Marina for 7,000 dirham per month. It's the perfect blend of comfort, style, and unique location. Speaking of call life service, you can pay for your apartment monthly, splitting the payment in 12 checks. And also it's possible to sign on a Ijari contract. Weekly cleaning, diva, chiller, internet, tenant support, all this is included in price. If you're thinking of moving to Dubai or just looking for some apartment inspiration, I hope this video gave you some great ideas. Thank you for joining me on this tour. Don't forget to like this video, to subscribe on our YouTube channel, and hit the bell not to miss our new videos. And let me know in the comments what you think about this studio. See you in the next video. Bye!